Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a really fun notion for you today. You may have seen me use the I Love My Quilting Friends ruler from Creative Grid. It's really fun, 2.5 by 6 inches long. I always love seeing of course the saying, but of course the hearts as well. And as you can tell from the quilt behind me, we love color here at Shabby Fabrics. It's very exciting to be able to use different fabrics and colors and threads. Well, why not rulers too? So I reached out to Creative Grid and said, would you make the I Love My Quilting Friends in an array of colors just for us at Shabby? And they said, absolutely. I am so excited. These literally just arrived today. I could not wait to film this and show you what's available. There's 7 to collect in these amazing colors, and these are a little bit longer. The original's 2.5 by 6, but knowing that we love our 6-inch blocks finished, I asked for these to be cut to 2.5 by 6.5, and that's what you're seeing, obviously in the full array of the rainbow. So be sure to collect all 7 plus the original, or maybe give those as a gift to that quilting friend and you're always struggling to know what to give them. Maybe secretly find out what their favorite color is, and how wonderful to receive this. So thanks for giving me a moment of your day to show you this fun new array of Creative Grid rulers available at Shabby Fabrics.